Luxury meets cutting-edge technology in the 2025 Volvo XC90. With stunning Scandinavian design, powerful hybrid engines, and a cabin crafted for comfort, this SUV is redefining premium driving. But is it worth the hype? Let's dive in. Design. The 2025 Volvo XC90 proves that elegance never goes out of style. While its iconic silhouette has remained largely unchanged for years, Volvo's signature sophistication and engineering brilliance keep it ahead of the competition. A refreshed version is confirmed for mid-2025, but even the current model delivers luxury, performance, and comfort in one impressive package. Power and efficiency. 3 engine choices. Volvo offers 3 powerhouse options to suit every driver. Base model, a smooth 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder. 247 horsepower for balanced performance and fuel efficiency. Mid-range adds a supercharger, boosting output to 295 horsepower, perfect for those who crave extra power. Top-tier plug-in hybrid. A monster 455 horsepower with 33 miles of electric-only range and an incredible 66 miles per gallon equivalent. Luxury interior. Step inside and you're greeted with premium powdered wood, ultra-soft leather, and minimalist elegance. Every detail is meticulously designed for a serene, upscale experience. With 7-passenger seating, it's ideal for families, though the third row is best for kids on long trips. The 2025 refresh promises even better sound insulation, making cabin comfort truly next level. Final verdict. Whether you prioritize eco-friendly driving, raw power, or pure luxury, the 2025 XC90 delivers. It's a versatile, high-end SUV that stands tall in its class. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below. Would you pick the hybrid or the supercharged version? See you in the next review.